the Arti-Techs Club, the young people get to work on a range of different projects, so we provide lots of different options so they can choose based on their interests what they want to work on and how far they want to take it. So we have programming projects with BBC microbits, soldering, Fimo clay for making models, we've done some stop motion animation, lots of origami, and yeah, lots of really interesting things.
We really just let the children sort of find what they're interested in, just kind of go with that, and they're very accommodating to any suggestions that come from them.
So I've worked with lots of materials that I probably otherwise would not have even come in contact with, which is really fun.
We have 12 young people per term, some of whom have been coming for the whole time, have been here for a year already, some of which are new each time. So we have about 12 each session. And the aim is to get them working together, trying new things, making friends in a sort of supportive tech-based environment.
It's really fun to just be creative with it and not have to meet expectations for what you're supposed to be doing, or have it an assessed piece like you do in school. It's really fun to just make things that you like and that you're proud of.
The highlight for me has really been seeing the same young people come back week on week and really growing into themselves and their projects and becoming more independent and more outgoing and making friends and really working well together. It's been lovely to see that transformation.